Hey guys, it's from Helmetkarts here. Today with me, I've got the X1 Bandit Trike. Now this model first released in the States and you guys were begging us to bring it down under, so that's exactly what we've done. Now with this, it's designed around wheeling. So you'll see here on the back, you've got your wheelie bars, as well as combined with that 200cc motor that we run on all of our mini bikes, driven to a dry clutch system to a solid rear axle. It is designed around wheeling. If you want something that's not going to wheelie, there are options for something like a drift sleeves. If you want to, hit corners or maybe a track or something like that, you've got those options too. Now this whole design here, you'll see it's got just your standard go-kart wheels. Pretty basic, as simple as it can get, nice and compact. You can chuck in the back of you, take it really anywhere you want to go. Nice and modifiable as well. It's pretty much as simple as it gets. So yeah, if you're interested in it, we're Helmetkarts. We've got all the colors of the rainbow, and yeah, reach out to us. This is the X1 Bandit.